Hi guys, in this demo, I'll show you best solutions to restore iPhone 7 Plus or iPhone 7. iTunes is a great tool to manage your iPhone. It is full of features to let you keep track of everything on your iPhone. To get started, launch iTunes on your PC and use a lightning cable to connect your iPhone 7 to PC. Now click the device icon at the upper left portion, then head over to Summary tab. After that, click the Restore Backup button to start the recovery process. If you don't have iTunes Backup and want to use a professional data recovery tool, then you should consider using Power Rescue. To begin, download and install Power Rescue on your computer. Launch it and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Once connected, put a check mark on Select All and click the Start Scan button. Wait a moment for Power Rescue to analyze and scan your device. After scanning, a preview of recoverable files will show up. Choose files you want to recover and click the Recover to Computer button at the bottom right corner. Then, set a file location to save them. Our last tool would be EaseUs. It is a convenient and easy-to-use data recovery software. To use it, install the app on your computer and launch it. Connect your iPhone 7 to PC using a USB cable. Choose Recover from iPhone mode and click Scan to continue. Once the tool is finished scanning, mark the files you want to get back and click the Recover to save them on your computer. And those are the best solutions to restore iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Thank you for watching!